Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing some more canning. We're going to be doing our salsa. Doug got this recipe several years back from a buddy at the plant he worked at before it shut down. And it's a really good recipe. I am going to be doing 5 times the recipe, or 5 runs of salsa. So, but for the regular recipe, you're going to need 4 cups of peeled and chopped tomatoes. Now, I done the bake method of peeling the tomatoes, and that works out good. And then I chopped them, but I chopped these a little bit more smaller pieces than the diced tomatoes. You're going to need, okay, this recipe is 2 cups of sweet peppers chopped and 2 cups of jalapeno peppers chopped. And you know we don't like spice because this is going to be a mild version. I did put 2 black jalapenos in here, but it's not going to be spicy at all. And I chopped those in the food processor from the KitchenAid attachment. And also you're going to need 3/4 cup of onion chopped, and that's in here too. You're going to need 2.5 cups of red wine vinegar, 1 tomato paste. Here is some minced garlic. You'll need 2 cloves of minced garlic. And for the salt, let's see, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to need 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, I had to get out my great big pot. Biggest one I have here. Hopefully I won't splash this all over everything. We're just going to dump everything in. Didn't throw none out of there. Okay. Garlic. So our salt and sugar. Now I got to measure the red wine vinegar. Okay, red wine vinegar. And our tomato paste. Get all that out of there. Now, I'm going to bring this up to a boil and then cook it on medium heat for 25 minutes. And I'll be back whenever that gets done. Here it is after cooking about 25 minutes. we'll get it jarred up. Okay, I've had my jars in my water bath canner getting hot. The salsa is going to be hot, so want our jars to be hot too. We're going to fill these up to 1/2 inch head space. Okay. Want to debubble. I got some vinegar on a paper towel. To wipe the rim. The lid, ring, fingertip tight. I'll put it in the canner. And then we'll get the rest of these jars canned up. Okay, we got 9 jars so far. We're going to bring this up to a boil and process it for 20 minutes. Okay, these is boiled for 20 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off. Turn it off and let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's get them out and onto a towel. And I'll finish them up and show you what they look like. Okay, there you have it. I've got 28 jars. Not all of this is going to be ours. As you can see, they've got a little bit of white on top. I must didn't get enough vinegar in the canner. I may not have done it for the last one, I'm not sure. Oh, we got salsa on the shelves now. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
The sun comes up across the mountain sky, morning dew and a rooster's cry, garden row stretching far and wide, another summer day on the countryside, tomatoes growing, beans on the vine, sweet corn standing tall in a line, the flowers blooming red, yellow, and gold, simple country treasures worth more than gold. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. The tractor's rolling through the hayfield green, one of the prettiest sights I've ever seen. Fresh cut hay and a warm summer breeze, the kind of life that puts your mind at ease. Carolyn's picking flowers by the gate, while supper's cooking and the day runs late. The garden's giving more than we can hold, another homestead story waiting to be told. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. We've seen the sunrise and the evening glow, watched little seedlings grow, row by row, made memories here that money can't buy. Under these Appalachian skies, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. Here